Welcome to the Joel Financial Academy, where we support business owners to navigate beyond the numbers. So you are pumped about the potential of your new business. You totally overlooked one crucial thing: taxes. You completely messed up your deductions because not keeping good records. The CRA won't be too thrilled, and it ended up costing a bunch of money. So, in this video, I'm breaking down the top tax traps new business owners fall into, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. Let's do this. I had this friend. Let's call him John. John was always full of ideas and had a knack for turning his passions into profitable ventures. He was the kind of guy who could see an opportunity in everything. John started this awesome online store selling custom designed sneakers. His designs were unique and people loved them. Orders started pouring in from all over the country, and his business quickly gained traction. Business was booming, and John was on cloud nine. But guess what? Amidst all the success, there was a looming problem that he hadn't anticipated. John wasn't great at keeping track of his expenses. He was so focused on growing his business that he neglected the financial side of things, which is crucial for any entrepreneur. The paperwork started piling up, and it became a real issue. Fast forward to tax season, and John's scrambling with shoeboxes full of receipts and no clue what he can and can't write off. It was a chaotic scene with papers flying everywhere and stress levels through the roof. This is why keeping accurate records is non-negotiable. Proper documentation can make or break your business when it comes to financial health and stability. It's not just about avoiding chaos. It's about being prepared. Use a spreadsheet, accounting software, whatever works for you, but keep track of every single business expense. It's not just about avoiding chaos. It's about understanding your business's financial position and making informed decisions that can drive growth. Not only will this save you a massive headache later, but it could also save you thousands in taxes. Plus, it gives you peace of mind knowing that your financials are in order and you are prepared for any financial scrutiny. In the end, it's all about being smart with your business. Okay, let's talk about deductions. Deductions let you subtract certain necessary expenses from your income, which lowers your taxable income and the amount of taxes you owe to the government. Do your research thoroughly, understand what you can and can't deduct, and don't leave any money on the table. Imagine this. You're at your favorite coffee shop, laptop out, hustling on your business. The aroma of freshly brewed coffee fills the air, and the soft hum of conversations creates the perfect backdrop for productivity. It's the ideal setting to get things done. You feel on top of the world, ready to conquer your to-do list. You reach for your wallet to pay for that double-shot espresso. And wait, which card is my business card again? You fumble through a stack of cards, each one looking more similar than the last. The confusion is real. This small moment of uncertainty can spiral into bigger issues. Mixing personal and business finances is a slippery slope. It starts with a simple mistake, but soon your receipts are a tangled mess, and your financial records are a nightmare. The chaos can be overwhelming. You might find yourself spending hours trying to sort through the mess, time that could be better spent on growing your business. Not only does it make it nearly impossible to track your business income and expenses accurately, but it can also raise red flags during an audit. Imagine the stress of a CRA audit, where every transaction is scrutinized and you can clearly separate personal from business expenses. It's a scenario you want to avoid. The financial and emotional toll can be significant. Keep it clean, keep it separate. By maintaining distinct accounts, you ensure clarity and organization in your financial life. This simple practice can make a huge difference. It not only simplifies your bookkeeping, but also gives you a clearer picture of your business's financial health. Open a dedicated business bank account and credit card and use them exclusively for business transactions. This simple step can save you countless hours and headaches. It's a game changer. You'll thank yourself later when everything is neatly categorized and easy to access. It'll make your life so much easier come tax time, I promise. With everything neatly organized, filing taxes becomes a breeze, and you can focus on what truly matters, growing your business. The peace of mind is invaluable. So, take that step today and keep your finances separate. Look, I get it. Taxes can be confusing. They can be a real headache, especially if you're not familiar with all the intricacies involved. It's like trying to navigate a maze without a map. The complexity can be overwhelming. There are forms, deadlines, rules, and regulations. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. Missing a deadline or filling out a form incorrectly can lead to penalties and more stress. It's a lot to handle, and it can feel like you're drowning in paperwork. But that's no excuse to try and tackle it all on your own, especially when you're first starting out. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is slim. One small mistake can cost you dearly, both in terms of money and peace of mind. Remember John, my friend with the sneaker business? He thought he could handle it all by himself. He was confident at first, thinking he could save some money. He tried to do his own taxes one year. It didn't end well. He ended up with a hefty fine and a lot of unnecessary stress. It was a tough lesson to learn, and it took him a while to recover. That's why I can't emphasize enough the importance of consulting with a tax professional. They know the ins and outs of the tax system and can help you navigate it smoothly. Their expertise is invaluable, and they can save you from costly mistakes. Contact details for recommended professionals are included in the description of this video. Think of it as an investment in your peace of mind and your financial well-being. With a professional by your side, you can focus on what you do best, running your business. It's a smart move that pays off in the long run. Tax deadlines. Those two words can strike fear into the heart of even the most seasoned entrepreneur. Miss a deadline, and you could be hit with penalties, interest, and a whole lot of unnecessary stress. Depending on your business structure and how much you earn, you might have quarterly tax payments instead of just one annual filing. Being proactive with your taxes is one of the best things you can do for your business. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the power of accurate record keeping to the magic of deductions and the importance of seeking professional help. Remember, understanding your tax obligations is not just about avoiding penalties. It's about empowering yourself to make smart financial decisions for your business. Take action. Implement the tips we discussed today and watch how a little bit of tax savviness can transform your business. You got this. Thank you for watching. See you next time.